Hello, Leo. This is Miss Joan with Miss Joan's Tarot on the Hill, and I'm talking to you about the 20th to the 26th of November. We have the cards in front of us, and I am programming these cards for you even as we speak. All right then, let's get these cards out. Okay, so the Seven of Wands is talking about how you have some big ideas that you want to share with the world, and you are continuing to push your ideas to try and get them fulfilled. Doesn't feel like it's going very well. So, but the Fool is here to say you're jumping into something new. So you will be starting something new, and this is very good. Yay. You're sharing your ideas and trying to be heard. That's good. But here's this. You're giving something up. This is a Death card. You'll be giving something up while you're jumping into something new. Okay? Not unheard of. The card here is talking here. The Magician is telling me that where you're blocked is you may or may not have the tools you need to do the job. So that's exciting. Pay attention to that truth and know that, yes, once you get everything together, currently you certainly can't do this by yourself. That's what it's saying to me. The Nine of Cups is here to say wishes being fulfilled. Maybe not. So whatever you're starting, it's going to have a rough start, but it's start, right? So, Two of Cups is here, Two of Pentacles is here to say the finances are going to get balanced. But even that happening will block you a little bit. So it's a rough week, but it's okay. It's the beginning. It's not the end. So Five of Wands is here in the solution part, and it's telling me that yes, indeed, you will need to use your ideas and rally the troops. So you're going to get the job done, but you're going to get it done with other people. You're going to have other people helping you, which is awesome. I love that. You're going to jump in. You're going to have other people helping you. Yes, you'll be working. The Eight of Pentacles is here saying you are going to be working for your dough, and it will be getting done, because we have the Ten of Cups here saying there's some happy family stuff going on. It feels like family when you gather your people together and you get to work and you get to do stuff, and it's really, really good. So very good stuff here. I'm excited to see what comes up for you, really. Please comment in the bottom and tell me what the heck is this going, and how on point this might be for you. I'm excited to hear. I'd love to know what's going on for you. This is exciting stuff. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Yay. Okay. Perfect. Let's talk again next week about the 27th through December 3rd of November. All right? Thank you.